Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEX topic, writing and evaluating a function that models a real-world situation, and this is the advanced version. Alright, so we have a construction crew lengthening a road. If the road started with a length of 51 miles and the crew is adding 2 miles to the road each day, we're going to let L represent the total length of the road in miles, and D represent the number of days the crew has worked. So a couple things here. One, we're going to write the equation relating L to D. So we need an equation first, then we're going to use that equation to find the total length of the road after the crew has worked for 36 days. Alrighty, so when we're thinking about total length of the road and how many days, which one is controlling it? Is the length of the road telling us how many days we've worked, or how many days is going to tell us how long the road is? So it is going to be that second situation, so that means D is going to be my independent variable. So it's going to be L equals, so the length of the road, and then I need to figure out how to tie this in. So looking here, we start with a flat 51 miles, so that's my constant, and then I'm going to add 2 miles to the road each day, and that each day lets you know we're going to be doing some sort of multiplication here. So it's going to be 2d, so 2 miles per day. So at one day it'd be 2 miles, 2 days is 4 miles, 3 days is 6 miles. So we're going to be having that multiplication plus 51. And that's our equation here. Okay. You do want to double check usually to make sure you're on the right track. So let's think about at day 0, before I start, do I end up with this 51 miles that I think I should? So 2 times 0 in this case is 0. 0 plus 51 is 51, so that just double checking to make sure this does work the way it should. Alright, so now that I have my equation, L equals 2D plus 51, I need to use the equation to find how long the road is after 36 days. So for this one, I'm still going to have L equals, because I don't know the length, that's what I'm trying to find, 2, but I'm not going to put a D here because remember the D stood for the number of days. So this is 36 days, so I'm going to plug this in parentheses so I don't accidentally lose an operation, plus 51. So I'll just bring that down, substituting D for 36. After that, it's just simplification. So 2 times 36, and then adding those up. My length in this case should end up with 72 plus 51 for a total of 123. Now, make sure you're careful here. We need a unit because this is coming off a word problem. So my final answer is 123 miles. And then we also want that equation.